chicken bites. I'm in a hurry. Oh, it is a beautiful. Started making my chicken and cabbage soup. So I'm gonna go ahead and cut my cabbage now. We're going to use 1 medium-sized yellow onion. Okay, everybody, so again, I already cooked the chicken breast, and what I'm going to do is I cooked this last night. They've been in the refrigerator. I just took them out. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to use the remainder of the broth in the chicken soup for today's video. All right, the first thing we're going to do is add all of our vegetables, our carrots, our onions, and our celery to our water. Now, let me tell you what has already been added to this water and is very important for this recipe. We added 4 quarts of water, and to this we added 2 bay leaves. We added 4 chicken bouillon cubes. We've added salt, pepper, as well as garlic powder and onion powder, a tablespoon each of garlic powder, a tablespoon of onion powder, okay? So now we've just added the vegetables, and we're going to add the rest of our aromatic seasonings. Next up, we're gonna add 2 tablespoons of dill weed, dried dill weed. Add that to the pot. Let's not forget, I almost forgot, one of the most important ingredients, the cabbage. Put our cabbage in there. All of it. Yes. We're adding 1 tablespoon of dried thyme, 1 tablespoon of dried parsley, 2 cloves of chopped garlic, and of course, salt and pepper to taste. All right, now we're gonna give this a good stir, and we're gonna let this cook. I'm gonna put the top back on. We're gonna let this cook, and in the meantime, I'm gonna go on and shred my chicken. Okay, I've shredded the chicken. Let's go ahead and add it to our pot. Now let's cover and let it finish cooking. All right, everybody, our soup is ready, and it looks so good. It's filled with so much chicken and cabbage and all those wonderful veggies. Let's go ahead and plate this up. Okay, everyone, I have been enjoying my chicken and cabbage soup. It is so delicious, so warm, and so hearty. You have got to make this. And it's a lot. It's a lot. So you may want to make some and then put some in the freezer and have it again a little bit later. Unless you're serving a huge crowd of like 10 plus people, you are going to have a lot of soup. Guys, this is delicious. I hope you get a chance to try it again. It's delicious, it's hearty, and it's just something nice to have on these cold fall and winter days that are coming up. You are gonna really want to dig into some of this chicken and cabbage soup. Thank you guys so much for watching. I always appreciate it when you're here in my kitchen with me. If you are new to Sincerely Legenia, go ahead and click that subscription button below. I'd love for you to become a part of the Sincerely Legenia family. You guys have a blessed and a prosperous week, and I will talk to you in the next video. Talk to you next time. Bye.